Hello and welcome to Kahindotech. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone who sent you a snap on Snapchat. Before I begin, I would like to let you know that if you're using Android, things might look slightly different for you, but it should be pretty much the very same exact steps. So let's begin by opening up your Snapchat. Once you have it open, tap on where, if you look on the bottom left corner, tap on the little message icon. Okay, it will take you here. This is like a list of your chat history. So tap on the name of the person who just sent you a message and you like to block them. So for an example, I'll just tap on this name, where it says ASAP Mechi. I'll tap on that. This opens up the snap with them. All right, the conversation with them, I mean. And then now look on the upper left corner where you see the little three blue bars. Tap on that. That menu comes up. If you look on the bottom of this, on the bottom left of this screen, tap on where it says block. Okay, and then you ask, are you sure you want to block this person? Click on block. And then here you have to give a reason of why you're blocking them. But if you don't have any reason, just choose your appropriate reason. But if you don't have a reason, just click on where it says other. And there you go. That's how you block a person that just sent you a snap. Alright, it's pretty easy, but if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.